So I'm going to be doing a video today to show you guys how to use my hair oils. So we're going to be using the Renee Growth Oil, and then I'm also going to be doing a quick braid out using my Don't Be Dry Moisturizing Oil. Throughout the video I'll be showing you guys how I do my hair. We'll also be talking about what I put in my oils and why, and then we shall do a length check. Why not, right? Alright, so stay tuned. Okay, so I start by sectioning my hair off into 4 quadrants. So you can control it a little bit more because I have a lot of hair. So let's just bun these up. Alright, so let's start with this section. I have my bottle of water handy. Alright, so I start off using my hair growth oil. Okay, so I fill a dropper and I first just go through and massage in down each of the parts. Alright, I have it 4 quadrants, and then since I'm concentrating on this section, I just put some in a dropper and then I just go through and just squeeze it all in the middle of your mane. Then I massage it in. Don't forget this part, you guys, because the whole point of this oil is so it can be absorbed into your scalp. And the more that you do scalp massages, the more that the oil can really get into the scalp. And the more that it wakes up your hair follicles. So I definitely encourage scalp massages all the time, okay? Alright, so now that I have the hair growth oil all throughout there, then I wet the length of my hair. So to be honest, usually I just start off by wetting my whole head so I don't have to go through using the whole spray bottle. It's just easier for me because I have a lot of hair. But I mean, for the sake of using a towel and all of that, I'll just go ahead and use the spray bottle. So I wet the whole section of my hair. And then only using a wide tooth comb, I start to detangle. Detangle from the bottom, because remember, the whole point of hair growth is for you not to break off your hair. So even if you get frustrated with the detangling part, you guys don't rush through it, because if you're breaking off your hair, you're not going to be able to see a difference when you do have some hair growth. It's like a cycle, okay? So be very gentle, and I do have some parts that you can't quite get through, so you just have to keep working your way up with a wide tooth comb and getting those tangles out of there. There we go. All right. Okay, so now that I have my hair detangled, I'm gonna go back through my hair. Now I'm using my moisturizing oil. All right, I love this oil. So I squirt some into my hand. Use as much as you need. I like to use a lot of product. I never understood why on bottles it would say use a dime size amount. And I'm like, I got a lot of hair, okay? There ain't no dime size amount gonna help anything over here. So you run the oil through the length of your hair. All right, so I go from my roots all the way to my ends. And I always put just a little bit extra on my ends, which I'm going to do right now. You know why? Because for my hair, the ends are usually the driest. They're the ones that's most exposed. And I just got a trim not too long ago, so I don't want to have any split ends. So to prevent from having split ends, you guys, make sure you keep your hair trimmed and make sure that your ends stay moisturized, okay? And then I just put it all in a quick braid. So now it's all the oil is soaked through the hair. The scalp is oiled with the hair growth oil. And then I'll actually just do a quick braid. All right, guys, now that we're all braided up, let's let it dry. So I will be back in a minute after my hair is dry so we can unravel and see how this braid out turns out. All right, be back in a sec. All right, so I let my hair dry for about 2 hours. You can blow dry your hair with a diffuser, but I like to let my hair air dry because I don't like any heat damage onto my hair. So let's start unraveling the braids. All right, so there we have it. Here's our braid out. So let's put it into a cute, quick style. So I like to use gel by The Main Choice. The gel has biotin in it, so it's really good for your hair. Let's just do a quick little cute style. So I'm just gonna part it. A little gel. Yes, I do use rubber bands in my hair, but the key is cutting them out. I always use a little pair of scissors or something to cut my rubber bands out so I don't pull out my hair with the rubber bands. Alright, and there you have it. Our cute little braid out. And like I said, if you guys leave your braids in overnight, then you'll get a lot more definition. Alright, and let's do our quick little length check. So right now, I'm at my belly button, and that's a piece from the very back being pulled to the front. It's kind of hard for me to do it from behind to really show the length of the hair. Okay, so I'm at about my belt strap for the back of my hair. All right, we're gonna keep track every video I do because I really want to show you guys how good the growth oil works. I also do drink a lot of water and take a multivitamin. I encourage everyone to do the same because your health really does have a significant effect of how fast your hair can grow, along with the oil. So I'll be posting more about that later too. All right, but thank you for watching. I'll be posting another video in about 3 to 4 days, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks, bye.